Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to launch Crosshair X. All right. I'm going to be showing two ways. First one is the default Crosshair X launch, and the second one is by using the Xbox game bar. Okay, so first up, make sure that you have it opened. Go ahead and open up your Steam or Epic Games or whatever you bought Crosshair X and just click on launch. Okay. So once that's opened, go ahead and find the Crosshair X menu. So just double click on it. Now, once that's done, here you have Crosshair X. Now, to make your crosshair visible, make sure that you select one, of course. In the left panel, go ahead over to Crosshairs. Okay. Go to Featured or under Community or even Steam Workshop. All right. So under Community, let's go ahead and select one. Maybe I'm going to go ahead and select this option and then make it visible. Just click on the hidden section right here. And here we have it. Okay. There you go. And this is only for under display modes, simple overlay mode, or the default one. Okay. If you want to use game bar, so just go ahead and click on game bar. And as you might have noticed, the crosshair right here is gone because you're using game bar. So as it says here, launch game bar, just basically follow simple prompts. Okay, here we have it. And sometimes it will ask you to install the Crosshair extension. Just follow it. And then once done, make sure that you disable the click-through mode right here at the top. Okay, then pin your crosshair. And here we have it. If you want to have it auto-centered, so just click on this checkbox. And whenever you move it, it will snap back to center. Okay, now you can go ahead and tap away and continue playing. And there you have it. And that is how you launch Crosshair X. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.